Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're probably wondering how do I make the same flipaclip videos like you do. So first up, you need to download flipaclip. Then you're going to need to open it. Then you're going to go to projects. Then you're going to press this plus sign next to home. It's add project. Then you can name your project. Then you can get a picture. So I've shown you this in my other one, but if you do not know, I will show it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit that out. I'm gonna choose a World War II map. Oh yeah, forgot. Blank. And an outline. I'm gonna go with this one. Is it really that? Bro. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this. So after you download it, you're gonna go back, and you're gonna press this picture thing, the gallery, that shows the gallery. I'm gonna do it, so you don't see my pictures. Bye-bye for now. You're also gonna need to do something like this. I'm gonna do, I don't know why Russia's not in this, but Turkey, Georgia, Armenia, Syria, Lebanon, Cyprus are here. So I'm gonna do Portugal for Spain for this tutorial. There, and then you're gonna press this check sign. After you press the check sign, go to frames per second, click it, then scroll down to 5. Because 1 minus divided by 5 is 0.2. So it's going to go on 0.2 seconds. So every 5 frames is 1 second. Alright, then you're going to press create project. Now what you're going to need to do is get a black. Either put your PX, to go on the brush, click it, then you're going to see this little dot with a circle. Hold it, and then you can, if you drag up, the number will increase. If you drag down, the number will decrease. Then you're going to have to go on 2 or 1 PX, then start tracing, like what I'm doing. I'm going to show a bit. This doesn't really take too long if the map is not complicated, which the World War II one I'm trying to make is. That took a while. God, my dog. I don't know why my dog's barking. I normally go pretty fast. If you want, you can use Google Maps, which I'm going to show in my advanced tutorial, because I might actually switch to be using Google Maps. I don't know though. Oh my god, I'm only doing Portugal. I'm just gonna skip until, you know. After you're done painting the 2 countries you want to fight, you can go to the color picker. To get to the color picker, you double click on the fill, which is this. Then you click whatever color there is, and that. Then you do that. Oh no, there's a mistake. Oh, it's there. 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 Now, you're gonna have to color in other countries that are in the map thing. So I'm gonna skip until I'm done. Well, not color the borders. Anyway. Alright, I'm done. Now, what you want to do is go to the fill, get any blue. This is the blue I chose. Then you want to fill in the ocean. There, now you've made yourself a map. Great job. So what I normally do, oh yeah. To save your options, you press the little box thing with the plus. Then it'll make that. Oops. I don't know how to use. Oh. Yeah, you can do it like that. You're gonna get a peach-like color between red and white. Like 60% between. And you're gonna get a dark red, a dark blue, a lightish blue, and then a bright red. You're also gonna get a bit brighter blue. So now after you do it, you're gonna paste these countries. Oh god, it's so laggy. Holy shit, why is it so laggy? And we're gonna paste these two colors in. Blue is defender, and red is attacker / aggressor. So now what you're gonna do is get that peach-like color on your fill and on your brush. Don't worry, you don't have to do new presets because both of these have the same presets, which is so saving. Oh, turn it down to 1 and then color. That. Now I'm just gonna do 1 just to show you guys. Then you're gonna get the brighter one. Then you're gonna paste it in that. Then you're gonna get it again. Then you're gonna do another one. And if there's any like a blue, you're just gonna use your pencil or brush, I mean. And then you're gonna just keep on doing this. Oh yeah, to add one of these, you press that plus sign. You see? Next to the number 3, there's that plus sign. Yeah, you're gonna have to press that to add a new thing. I don't know what they're called. You color any mistakes that there are. But if there's mistakes like, say, that, you're just gonna press that arrow pointing to the left. And if you want to redo something, you press the arrow that's going to the right. It's at the top rightish. Here and here. Enter. So you're going to keep on repeating. Oops. You're going to keep on repeating. I'm gonna repeat until frame or something, whatever it's called, 10. Whenever that number below reaches 10, then you're gonna do that and that, and yeah. You're gonna keep on coloring it. It's very slow, but it's easy. Easier than the IBS one. That's just difficult. If you don't have premium, that is. But if you want to preview it, you can scroll through these. My one is 1 second, so look. You press the play arrow thingy, then it plays. You see? It's a loop one.
From Trolls, here pops Donna Pop.
Sorry for that, but I can't control stupid looking ads. Anyway. And after you're done your thing, all you want to do now is just make movie. Simple. Oh yeah, you're gonna need to add a mark, or someone will steal it. So make movie. Make. It's gonna do this animation. Yeah. Now what you're gonna need to do is go to CapCut or whatever thing you have. I like to use CapCut. Then all you're gonna do is make new project. Then it's gonna show stuff. Then you're gonna add the video. Then you're gonna press add. Now you're gonna see this. First thing you wanna do is remove this. You click on it. Now you're gonna see something called text. It has the letter T on it. You're gonna add text. And just say, for example, for me, there. Now you can customize this however you want. And if you want, you can do a little animation. But now you got it. And you got yourself a tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Now you don't have to. Now you can make it longer. You can make it longer. Oh, that's just 1.2 seconds. Wow. But I had 7 frames. Ooh. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna do an advanced one, doing capitals soon.